Hello, it's Dominic. Sorry if I didn't get the camera right. I've been trying for literally 30 minutes now and I can't get it right. It's like lopsided. It's weird. And I like took my whole thing apart. It's like they're too big. A couple of sides are too big, like literally. It's like lopsided. I'll try to fix it after this vid. Okay, let's go here. Oh yeah, we're playing some Destiny. Getting back with Chappie. Sorry, I haven't been posting that kind of video for a while. And I might be gone for a second because I'm, actually at this point, I have a whole bunch of videos, like gaming videos that I haven't even, like, I'm trying to post down onto my, my desktop so I can get them put onto YouTube. So yeah, bros. I haven't played Destiny since the last time we played, like a couple weeks ago. So, and sorry if you hear this in the background. That's the video trying to load. Oh yeah, it happened. It just happened. Right when we get there, I'm ready to go. Oh no! Sorry. Just bear with me for a second. Oh my goodness, it's locking up. Vengo Demery? No, that's not where we go. Oh yeah, we were going there the last time, but then we had to quit. I remember. Hold on, bros. There we go, bros. There we go. Be all guest. Be all guest. Be all guest. Okay, I'm done. And sorry if I sneeze. Oh, I still have a cold. Oh, equipped armor. I'm being. Wait, okay. It's saying put this one. No, I'm putting this one on. Jeez, don't tell me what to do. I guess I can go here though. Wait, I'm not a hunter. I'm a bot here. Get up there! Are you serious? Sorry, I was trying to sit down in my gaming chair. I'm totally better than Ricky, so. Okay. Title class. I'm about to sneeze again, to be honest. Let's see. I'm gonna get that. That. And that.
Use it well. We stand by.
Oh, we're level only 2. Okay. We can't equip any of the stuff I just bought for a while. Stop. Drop. Turn them down. Oh yay! The gunsmith. We gonna get a new gun. The return of Choppy.
Guardian.
Okay, let's do this.
Not a moment too soon. How's the wait? Come see me if there's any problems.
I don't know if you guys like this gun. Not a lot of people do, but I love it. Stop. Drop. Go to O. I guess I don't go to orbit. I was going to. It's already like 5 minutes in the video and we haven't even started a mission. Slide. I got them skills though.
Schematics? New ship today?
Yeah, sure.
And that one? take care of that ship for me.
No. No woman. Oh, you can so tell the camera's off. I'm going to fix that. That is bothering me so much right now. I can't live with it. You don't know how much I just want to stop the video right now?
Whenever you're ready. Really.
Get out of my way, camera. I got a friend in me. When the log blows to the left, that means hold it low. I got a friend in me. Okay. Story mission. I'm just doing the story missions, not ooh. A bonus. I'm gonna go for level 3 hard. We're doing it on hard mode. Don't sue me if I suck at hard mode. Whee!
There's so little left out here. We were lucky to even find this ship. A Guardian can't do much to protect the city with that one. But it needs a warp drive if we ever hope to fight beyond Earth. And that Cosmodrome is the only place I know where we might still find one. We survived the Fallen once. We can do it again.
Yeah! Stop! Drop! Shut them down! Sorry if the light's bad in here. I tried my best. I put
If the Fallen haven't got to it,
my blankets up on my blinds, but dude, it shines right through. It's like super bright right now. I see. The camera's also in my way, so I can barely. I can see barely. Wait. Sorry guys, I just remembered there's like a cave right down here. And sometimes it will give you good stuffs. Give me good stuffs. It's usually a chest right there. Dude, I forgot how cool this game is. Like all its gun effects and stuff. I'm gonna have a fun time playing with this with you guys. Jump. Oh. 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 You can see. Bailey.
ship's avionics are completely catatonic, but I can code their last transmission.
I can't hear you.
I managed to restore an information hub here. Down in the tunnels below. We should check it out.
Let's check it out, bro. Let's go. Where? Oh. What? Seriously? You moved. It's kind of hard with this gun because you need a headshot or they won't die. You want to deal with me? Oh, crap. And don't say I suck at this game because I put it on the hardest difficulty for this level. Because it will get us like super good HP and then we'll level up like twice as fast and get our cool stuff we just bought. Mantis out. Owie. Oh, this ain't the witch mission, is it? Bro, I know you're here somewhere.
Map of the entire area.
Yeah.
What we really need to find is a warp drive, so we can jump to any planet or moon.
Yeah, not just Earth.
Our only hope is where we found our ship. We have to go back.
No. Ryan Gosling's on mine. Oh no! All I needed to add to this game was parkour. I'm gonna play some of it through the camera, so sorry if I super suck it. Where do I go? Oh. It's so hard playing through the camera. Oh, I can't do it. My shot was off. Yep, I can't do it. I can do it with not it. Oh, that's brilliant. Bro. FIFA has started to play. Oh yeah. Elder squirrels. It's a squirrel. And he's an elder. Let's get inside here. Probably only play 3 of these. More into the other ones we're doing now. Stop. Drop. Ooh yeah. The Alkalaka. Oh yeah. Oh, I got like helmets for the future.
Scanning for the warp drive. Bad news. It's already.
Oh, I forgot I don't have double jump. I'm so used to playing on mine or playing Titanfall now.
I hope you're ready for this.
Oh man, I put it on hard mode, and this is if you die, you die. If you're gonna hate, like, you can hate by saying I was stupid for putting this on hard mode. And I'll put a comment down below, yeah, I was a retard. Ah!
It's in the walls!
It's in the walls! Demon! Oh, I'm reloading apparently. Just shoot the guy. Are you? Okay. Okay, maybe the other gun was good. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh, I gotta finish the video. Okay, see you guys for next time. Bye.